Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the traditional Indian makeup look. Since the festive season is just around the corner, I just thought to make a video which will really help you guys for this festive season. ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत यूज़फुल रहेगा बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो मैंने आपको सारी डिटेल्स इन डेप्थ बताई हुई है हाउ यू कैन मेकअप फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टिल द एंड फॉर दिस festive season. So keep watching. To start with the skincare, I have used this rose gold oil which is really good. अगर आपका स्किन बहुत ही ड्राई है, अगर आपको हाइड्रेट करना है अपने स्किन को, तो आप ये मेकअप से पहले लगाइए. आपका स्किन बहुत ही हाइड्रेटेड रहेगा. And since it is oil based, I would request, if your skin is feeling oily, don't use this product. This product is for someone who has dry skin. आप ये सिर्फ मेकअप के पहले नहीं, रात को सोते वक्त भी लगा सकते हो for your skincare routine. It's a very great product. Apply it and keep on emulsifying this product. Next up, I'm using this balm. This balm is from Innisfree. The name is Wedding Bells. It's a very nice balm. You can use it every day as well. Next up, I'm going to use this emollient. Emollient is a very good moisturizer. Since I have some active acne and some scars, I thought to use this before makeup just for my skin safety. Next up, for the primer, I'm going to use this primer from K Beauty. It's a peach shade. It has lovely shades, and this, I've tried it and I really love this product. I highly recommend you guys to use this according to your skin concern. This works really well. Emulsify it and you can actually see the difference after applying the primer. I'm feeling really good after the skincare. It is so important to use the skincare before starting up with the makeup. To start with the makeup, I'm going to use this shade from Candice. This is really great shade. This works like a corrector concealer. I use this on my acne scars or on the scars that I have towards my chin area, towards my jawline. Since I have some hormonal imbalance, I really face a lot of acne issues. So whenever I really want a high coverage and a good corrector, I use this product. I'm blending this really well with an amazing and one of my favorite brush from Miniso. I use this for emulsifying and blending of corrector, concealer, foundation. You will see this product, this brush I'm using for all three things. Next, the concealer that I'm going to use is from Maybelline. The shade is 04 Caramel. This is a wonderful shade and this gives amazing coverage. This is the amazing concealer that I've been using since so many months, and I really recommend you guys to buy this product according to your skin tone. Use the shade and apply it on such areas where I am applying on this video. You can see I'm applying under the eyes, lips के corners में, nose के corners में, and I'm blending with the same brush, same Miniso brush, and you can see how beautifully it is blending and how beautifully it is giving the coverage. This is an amazing concealer, guys. I know I'm repeating it again and again, but this product is really good. Once you'll buy it and apply it, you'll definitely thank me later. So that's how I'm emulsifying it. Whatever the extra product that is there on your brush, make sure you apply it all over on your face, wherever you see some redness or wherever you see some discoloration, pigmentation. That's how the blending will be better and you'll get amazing coverage. Now it's the time for the foundation. Since my concealer and corrector has given me a great coverage, I don't need any heavy foundation for this. So that's why I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute foundation. This is an amazing foundation. It is not high coverage, but definitely gives a good, beautiful glossy effect. And as you can see, it is working on my skin really well. The shade name is Neutral Honey. It is an amazing shade, and even if I'm not using any corrector or concealer, and if I'm in rush, I always use this product because this blends so easily and so smoothly. ब्लेंडिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है गाइस, ब्लेंडिंग इज़ द की। आपको ब्लेंडिंग बहुत अच्छी तरह से करना है। सिंस हम लोग कंसीलर लगाते हैं, फाउंडेशन लगाते हैं, तो अगर आप एक के ऊपर कोई एक प्रोडक्ट लगा रहे हो और अगर अच्छी तरह से ब्लेंडिंग नहीं कर रहे हो तो वो मेकअप बहुत मूव होता है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप ब्लेंडिंग अच्छी तरह से करो। ब्लेंडिंग कॉर्नर ऑफ द नोज़, ईयर्स, कॉर्नर ऑफ द लिप्स पे आपको अच्छी तरह से करना है। अभी आप देख सकते हो कि कितना ब्यूटिफुली मेरे एक्नेस सारे कवर हो चुके हैं। इसके ऊपर आई एम गोना अप्लाई दिस कैंडिस का ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर, जस्ट ताकि मेरा जो मैंने मेकअप किया हुआ है वो लॉक हो जाए। दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप गाइज, सिंस इट विल लॉक योर मेकअप and it will actually mattify your skin. So yeah, it's a beautiful base and I'm really happy with my base. Let's go ahead now. We're going to start with the contouring. For contouring I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm going to use this brush which is in triangular form. It will be easier for you guys if you will use this. It will blend, it will blend the contouring very easily, and even the application will be really easy. Contouring सबका फेवरेट होता है, इसलिए कॉन्टोरिंग पे आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड टू यूज़ द पाउडर कॉन्टोरिंग फॉर द सॉफ्टर इफेक्ट. अगर आपको हार्श और बहुत ही शार्प इफेक्ट चाहिए ऑफ कॉन्टोरिंग, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट विद द क्रीम कॉन्टोर. आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू यूज़ विथ दिस powder contour because for me blending would be easier and it will be quick. If I have to go somewhere, this contouring is a super duper quick technique. ये पैलेट में मेरा एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल और फेवरेट शेड है, दैट इज़ द बनाना शेड. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस अंडर द आईज जस्ट फॉर द पॉप अप ऑफ द मेकअप एंड ऑन सम highlighting areas basically, जैसे forehead, nose and chin area. Now for the eyebrows, what I'm going to use is a beautiful shade from Lakme. This is a very interesting and a very easy applicator of eyebrow. इसमें दो साइड हैं, एक साइड में there is the brush and on another side there is this beautiful color. This color is a coffee brown color if I'm not wrong, and it is amazing. It is going really well with my eyebrow. I don't like to use any darker shade for my eyebrows, but this is the not a very lighter shade and not a very darker shade, it's something in between. For the eyeshadow I'm going to use hum sabka favorite palette, that is Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty ka this palette is really cute and small and it has all the beautiful shades which I am using for almost all my outfits because such colors can be used in almost all the outfits. So for the first shade I'm going to use a very lighter base just to create the base for the eyes and blend it really well with a bigger brush. Next up I'm going to use this shade and I'm going to only do it on the corner of the eyes. सिर्फ corners पे ही use करो आप ये color because the eyeshadow that we are going to create is a spotlight effect. So your corners has to be darker compared to the middle of the eyes. नेक्स्ट अप हम थोड़ा छोटा ब्रश लेंगे, फ्लफ़ी ब्रश ही रहेगा बट इट विल बी अ स्मॉलर ब्रश एंड आई एम यूजिंग इट इन द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ द आईज़ बिकॉज आई हैव टू मेक दैट डार्कर एज वेल. सिंस हमारा आउटर कॉर्नर हो गया, नाउ दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू डू द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ द आईज़. जो मैं नेक्स्ट शेड यूज़ करने वाली हूँ दैट इज़ द डार्कर शेड. मैं डार्कर शेड इसलिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये मेकअप में बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू गिव द डेप्थ टू द आईज़. सो दैट्स वाई दिस डार्कर चॉकलेटी ब्राउन शेड जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ दैट इज़ आई एम यूजिंग ओनली ऑन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द आईज़ just to give that depth, intense, smoky feel. It's not a smoky eye makeup, but though just to give that smoky effect to the eye makeup, I'm using this. Now we have to focus on the lower lash line. Lower lash line के लिए भी मैं same colors use करूँगी जो मैंने eyelid पे use किया था. I'm going to mix these two colors and I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line. The brush that you can see is a beautiful brush for the lower lash line. Try to use such brush for your lower lash line because if you use a bigger brush, that product will spread all over. Now, most exciting step of the eye makeup is this shimmery effect from Huda Beauty. Just applied on the mid of the eyelids just to give that spotlight effect. Spotlight effect matlab it is just focusing on the center part of the eyes, and the corner part of the eyes is darker from both the side, from inner corner and from the outer corner. Now, to blend that uh, spotlight, you have to blend it with the darker corners, which darker shades which we have used before. तो वही आपको blend करना है corners में again, so that आपका spotlight effect और pretty लगे. Now the favorite step and the most common step is kajal. ये kajal, I'm using it from many I think this is my fourth or fifth pencil, because I have been using this since the time I've started using this. This gives a very nice dark effect, and it is very quick. You would have to apply 10 times to get that darker effect. इसमें there is one trick that I'm going to use is जब भी आप eyeliner लगाते हो, जब भी आप काजल लगाते हो, काजल make sure you just from the corner extend it to the lower lash line ताकि आप easily उसको blend कर सको. Next up, the liner that I'm going to use is a very easy and a quick trick. I'm just using the liner just on the corner, and I'm going to blend it with the either the eyeshadow, or you can take any black shadow that you have, blend that liner with the eyeshadow so that it gives that smudgy and very softy kind of effect. I personally don't like very sharp eyeliners, so this is what I've been loving since few months, and I'm trying this in my almost all my makeup look. So I really want you guys to try this look and let me know in the comment sections below कि आपको ये trick कैसा लगा. You can do it without makeup also, without any eye makeup. You can just use this liner and apply it. Now I'm going to use the beautiful mascara which is from Swiss Beauty. I am sure you guys love the mascara trend that has come. Even if you don't do any eye makeup, just do a mascara, and it really helps. We are almost done with the eye makeup, and I'm already loving the effect. And this is something which is some add-on which will actually lift up your eyes. So this step is very important. Please don't forget this step. Next up is very interesting and very exciting because I'm going to use the Huda Beauty again. For this blush, I'm going to use this one from Huda Beauty. And I'm just going to apply very less of blush. Since I want some glowy effect in my highlighter, I'm going to use this from Nykaa Beauty. It is an amazing highlighter, and it is a liquid highlighter, so that's why I'm not going to use the brush. I'm going to use the sponge. इस तरह से आप emulsify करो और आप with the sponge apply it on your cheeks, and you can see the difference. Always apply the liquid highlighter with the sponge. You can definitely see the application result. It is so smooth, so blended. And yeah, please apply your highlighters on your forehead, nose and chin for that extra oomph. I'm only left is with lips. For the lips, I'm going to use this lip liner. I'm going to give you the shade on the description box below. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the shade Scarlet from Euro Paris. It's an amazing shade, and it's almost getting over because I'm using the shade for my everyday look. Since this is very pinkish, I really want little nudie shade. I'm using this shade on top of it, and I think this is with every girl. We keep on trying and applying and overlying the lip shades. So this is how I'm done. I think I have missed one step, and that is a very important step, and that is just highlighting your inner corner of the eyes. Why this is very important step is you can see the difference कि हमारे eyes थोड़ी और lift up हो जाती है with just a small application to your inner corner of the eyes. You can use any highlighter or the eyeshadow palette, any shimmery effect. The last and the most important step is your makeup fixer. I'm going to use this from PAC. It's a beautiful and lovely spray. I will highly recommend you guys to use this. And I'm finally done with this makeup. I hope you guys like this video, and if you really like, do subscribe, like my channel, and definitely hit that notification button so whenever I make a video you will get the notification. Thank you. Bye.